Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Din and as you can see we are really busy here trying to get everything ready before we start cooking our curries. I've already now finished my 6th episode showing how to cook the base gravy, as you can see here. This method of cooking base probably doesn't exist anymore because chefs nowadays want to cook everything quick and therefore losing that flavor. I'm also adding stock to the gravy because it's very important the gravy is full of flavor, because this is your main ingredient, and then we're going to just put everything together, which I will show you when we start to cook our individual curries. Now I have a lot of curries to show you how to cook, so watch all the videos and also watch it right through. Please don't skip it because you miss what I'm doing. I'm going to basically show you in the video how to cook it in real time. You should have it all ready like this, and then we'll be able to start, and you'll have to watch, learn and listen basically, and that way you learn how to cook bendi bhaji here. We've got Bombay potato, we've got mushroom bhaji, we have sagalu and brinjal bhaji, and meat du piazza, and masala of course. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you, so let's get cooking. Right, now we're going to do a chicken kurma, people's favourite dish, the kurma. People who don't like curries or never tried curries usually start off with a kurma, so let's go. Right, we've got chicken, so this is very easy. We have sugar, almond powder, sultanas and coconut. Then we have base gravy, and I always put carnation milk. I find this milk is not so sickly like cream, but if you fancy cream, you put cream. Like I say, in your kitchen, you're the chef. You can put whatever you like. So this is my kurma, very simply dish. And because everything has flavour, all I'm doing is putting all the curries together, like so. So we're going to let that heat up and thicken up. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the videos which I'm about to post in the next month. And you'll see how to cook all the different curries. And you can impress your friends. And also tell your friends about my channel so they can discover it as well. Don't keep it a secret. And there you go. That's my kurma. So all we're going to do now is just make sure it doesn't burn on the sides and thicken up. By thickening up is also heating the chicken up as well and bringing it back to freshness. On a domestic cooker it may take a few more minutes, but I brought out my burner because I'm doing so many curries. I need to not spend too much time on the cooker. So I'm lucky enough to have a big burner. As you can see, it's fitted to a gas bottle, and it's much quicker, but you do have a tendency that it can stick to the sides or burn, so that's what you must watch. This dish is a very nice simple dish. In the old days we used to put milk, would you believe? Yeah, my mum started cooking back in '73. She was probably one of the first women chefs in the restaurant sector, and we used to use milk, but milk always took a bit longer, so to hurry up the process we started using carnation milk, which is, you know, is evaporated milk. So it's nearly ready, as you can see, it's thickening up well. With all my curries, with this you can add a little bit of chilli if you like. As my wife is going to eat this one, I'm going to put a little bit of chilli because she likes it a little bit spicier. You know, so there you go, a little bit of chilli. But you can leave that out because she's going to eat this dish. She likes it with a little bit of chilli. I don't know why, but there you go. Everyone's taste is different. It's nearly ready. See, I like my sauce not too thick and not too thin, if you can see that. I think that is ready to serve really. So let's serve that out.